This 2026 Shasta I-5 Edition 526 RBS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Bath, Pennsylvania, 18014 and is offered for sale by RV Value Mart, Behtlehem. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Shasta is 28 feet 0 inches in length and features a Carson Taupe interior, sleeps 3, Slideout, and 39 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, rear bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.